What is up, you daredevils? It's not morning, it's not time. My Barney is it? So guys, my bird that I'm probably gonna be getting tomorrow. I'm gonna have to show you all like what it's all about. Yeah. Getting a bird, I'm so excited for him forever. First I'm gonna train it and stuff. I'm gonna get it like I already know that okay. So I have the bird cage and I have one little toy in it. I'm actually going to go to the pet store and my papa's gonna go out and buy the food. So really all I need to do is get the bird, buy the bird, and then all I gotta do is buy the bird and I'm gonna buy 2 toys for the 2 cheapest toys, and they have their a little ladder. Because it already has a mirror with a bell on it. So is that siren hand? I hate that noise. I get bit by a zombie. Oh boy. Guys, that's an airplane, bro. What the frick? I want the accent. But, I have a little cage and I have a pink thing, like a pink mirror that it can look at with itself with a little bell on it. If that's feeling one of those little things that you can sit on and swing back and forth on. So, it's not a real big cage, but it's a pretty big cage. And I'm going to be getting a ladder to put in there for it. And, yeah, probably a ladder. And like something else that don't cost that much. I know I'm going to get it a rainbow ladder. And then like a little treat stick for it being my first bird in like 6 years, and I'm very excited for it, guys. If y'all cannot tell, my 6th video I made. I'm very, very, very excited. If y'all can all see patches that are best. Oh, 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 oh. But anyway, yeah, I'm probably just gonna be getting a rainbow ladder tomorrow. Like a rainbow ladder and like another toy, but like a little treat stick. But bye, guys.